Oh, we're making a movie? Oh, hi. We're at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're about to have, we just arrived at All Star Sports. We're here at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're going to have, where are we going to have dinner at Obama's or Boma's or what's it called?
Boma.
Boma, not Obama's.
Should I show the animal?
Yeah, take a look at the animals, and you can even use the zoom.
I know.
Zoom in on that giraffe and that. Hi, I'm in Boma's. I'm stuffed. But it's all good.
Yeah.
YouTube members, if you ever go to Boma's and you're only deciding between two desserts, I recommend the cocoa bisu or the upside down pineapple. Try that. Everything's pretty good.
Okay.
Did you have a good time, Mayumi?
Yes.
Those are the best French fries I've ever had.
I know.
What they do to the French fries are better than McDonald's.
I know.
Did you have a good meal, Jimmy?
And pork rib.
The pork ribs are tasty. They just fall off the bone and melt in your mouth like butter.
I know.
They're so good.
I know.
And I told him it's my birthday, so my happy birthday pin. It's not really my birthday. It's my birthday on Friday, but I worked on Friday. So I'm celebrating my birthday all week long. So I'm wearing my birthday pin. So the guy gave me like probably a huge, super-sized piece of steak. It's outrageous. Anyway, did you have a good meal?
Yes.
And tomorrow night we're going to have dinner at Tokyo Dining, right?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye, YouTube. Are you having a good time? Where are we today?
Epcot.
We're at Epcot. Now let me go backwards and see what type of car Jimmy is driving here.
Fancy Hummer.
The fancy Hummer. Are you having a good time, Mayumi?
Yes.
See? You having a good time, Jimmy? Bye-bye. Hello, how are you? Hi, Jimmy.
Hi.
Are you too busy eating food, Jimmy? What's Jimmy eating for supper?
Tempura.
Tempura and miso soup. Did you have a nice day today,